everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to add a mail account to your Zoho. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys, go ahead to the official Zoho.com website right here and log into your account. As you can see, I'm currently not logged in, but you'll be greeted by this main page when you get to Zoho. So guys, to be able to log into your account, you have to create an account. So if you do not have an account guys, you want to go right here into the upper right corner where it says free sign up. Click on free sign up guys and go ahead and create your account if you do not already have one. If you have an account, then go right here into the upper right corner and click on the red sign in button. Clicking on sign in guys, now we're going to go ahead and enter our email address and our password that we're going to use for our account. And let's go ahead and log in. So as you can see, now we are greeted by this main page where we can see a lot of the apps that you can use on Zoho. We're going to go ahead and click on all apps. Clicking on all apps guys, now we are greeted by the apps that we can use. So what we want to do is go ahead and click the mail option right here. This is the app that we want to use for creating a mail account. When you click on the mail option guys, you can see I already have an email created, but guys, if you do not have a mail created, you'll be greeted by a page where you will be able to enter your email address so that you will be able to use it in your Zoho. So as you can see, I have already created my email. You will just have to create your email and click confirm, and then you'll be also greeted by this main page after your email is confirmed and created for you. But yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. Now we have created our email. Now we can go ahead and either start sending you emails. We can set our calendars, our tasks. We can even add contacts that we can use for our emails. But yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. After just creating your email, then you'll be able to start working with your email on Zoho. But yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.